Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to WatchWire News. I'm your host, and today we've got an amazing deal for you. If you're looking to upgrade your smartwatch game without breaking the bank, listen up. So, you know how Apple Watches are basically the ultimate wearable device? Well, their budget-friendly option, the Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, is already super affordable, but this latest sale takes it to a whole new level. You can get the 2nd-gen Apple Watch SE for as low as $169.97 on Amazon. That's up to 32% off the original price. Now I know what you're thinking. What makes the Apple Watch SE so special? Well, let me tell you, it comes packed with a ton of features that'll make your life easier and more convenient. For starters, there's activity tracking, including detailed metrics for various workouts perfect for getting motivated for summer beach season. Plus, it's got health monitoring features like heart rate notifications and fall detection, so you can stay safe while on the go. But wait, there's more. The Apple Watch SE also gives you convenient access to notifications, calls, and messages directly on your wrist. No need to constantly reach for your iPhone, just glance at your watch and respond or take action. And with Apple Pay, you can make quick and secure contactless payments whenever you want. Now, I've got a friend who recently bought her first smartwatch, and she was blown away by how much value it provided. And that's exactly what the 2nd-gen Apple Watch SE is, an incredible value. With features like fall detection and enhanced workout metrics, this watch has everything you need to stay motivated, connected, and healthy. And if you're looking for a larger screen, don't worry, there's still a deal for you too. The 40-form version is now $188.74 on Amazon. That's 32% off the original price. Most color options are available at $199.97, so choose your favorite and upgrade to a bigger screen. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself a fast and modern smartwatch with a budget-friendly price. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's all from WatchWire News. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.